Hello, everyone. Today I will tell you about the grasshopper, its amazing history and origin. Sit back and let's get started. A grasshopper is an insect that belongs to the order Orthoptera. They are characterized by their long hind legs, which allow them to jump great distances. They have a pair of antennae on their head, and their body is divided into three segments: the head, thorax, and abdomen. Grasshoppers have two pairs of wings, with the front wings being larger than the hind wings. They can be found in a wide range of habitats, from deserts to forests, and can be found all over the world except for the poles. The diet of grasshoppers mainly consists of leaves, stems, and flowers of plants. They are herbivores, and their diet varies depending on the species and the habitat they live in. Some grasshoppers are also known to feed on other insects and small invertebrates. Grasshoppers have a simple life cycle, going through the stages of egg, nymph, and adult. The eggs are laid in the soil and hatch into nymphs, which look similar to adults but are smaller and do not have fully developed wings. As the nymphs grow, they molt and eventually become adults. Grasshoppers play an important role in their ecosystem as they are a food source for many animals such as birds, lizards, and mammals. They also help to pollinate plants and control the growth of vegetation in their habitats. However, some species of grasshoppers can cause damage to crops and gardens, as they can consume large amounts of plant material in a short period of time. In such cases, farmers often use pesticides to control their populations. In conclusion, grasshoppers are a diverse group of insects that can be found in many habitats around the world. They have a simple life cycle and play an important role in their ecosystem as a food source for many animals and as pollinators for plants. Some species can cause damage to crops, but farmers can use pesticides to control their populations. Grasshoppers are also known for their characteristic chirping sounds, which are produced by males during the mating season. The sound is created by rubbing their hind legs against their front wings, a behavior known as stridulation. Each species of grasshopper has its own unique chirping sound, which can be used to identify them. In many cultures, grasshoppers have been traditionally used as a source of food and medicine. They are high in protein and are considered a delicacy in some parts of the world. In ancient China, grasshoppers were used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including headaches and fever. There are many different species of grasshoppers, with different colors, patterns, and markings. Some species are brightly colored, while others are more subdued. Some have long, slender bodies, while others are more robust. Some species have large, conspicuous eyes, while others have small eyes. Grasshoppers are fascinating insects that are a joy to observe in nature. They are an important part of the ecosystem, and their unique characteristics and behavior make them a popular subject for study and research. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can learn to identify and appreciate the different species of grasshoppers in their area. In summary, grasshoppers are an interesting and diverse group of insects that can be found all over the world, from deserts to forests. They play an important role in their ecosystem as a food source for many animals and as pollinators for plants. They are also known for their characteristic chirping sounds, which are produced by males during the mating season. Grasshoppers have been traditionally used as a source of food and medicine, and there are many different species of grasshoppers with different colors, patterns, and markings. They are a fascinating subject for study and research, and with the right knowledge and tools, anyone can learn to appreciate these unique and interesting insects. Another interesting aspect of grasshoppers is their behavior and survival strategies. Some species of grasshoppers have developed camouflage techniques to blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. Others have developed the ability to jump long distances, allowing them to escape quickly. Some species have also developed chemical defenses, such as the ability to produce a bad-tasting or toxic substance to deter predators. One notable example of a defense mechanism is the behavior of certain desert species, which burrow underground to escape the scorching heat of the sun during the day and come out to feed during the cool night. Some species of grasshoppers also have a migratory behavior, which is usually related to environmental factors such as food availability or changes in temperature. The most famous example of this is the Mormon cricket, which during the mating season form huge groups that move across the western United States in search of new food sources. In conclusion, grasshoppers are not only interesting to observe, but also have unique survival strategies that allow them to thrive in different environments. They have developed various behaviors such as camouflage, jumping, chemical defenses, burrowing, and migratory behavior to adapt and survive in their habitats. These strategies make them even more fascinating to study and learn about. Their presence in the ecosystem plays an important role in maintaining the balance of nature, and their unique characteristics make them an interesting subject for research and observation. I think that will be enough for today. Do not forget to rest, but we will meet in a new video. Bye.